Hello there, it's Diorama Don here. Welcome everybody. I've been making videos for almost 2 years now for my YouTube channel, and I've made something like 255 videos, which means I've got 255 dioramas, and I don't live in that big a house, so from time to time I have to cull the number of dioramas I've got lying around. They have to go in the bin. So I came across this bridge that I made in my very early months of making videos, and it's the bridge from the movie Saving Private Ryan, the bridge from the village of Ramel. So I thought before I threw it out, it would be a nice idea to make up a diorama from other things that I've made in more recent months. So apart from the bridge, which is 3mm cardboard, I think I made it from, the bricks are all tile grout, as is the cobbled road on the bridge. So if you're interested, I will leave a link in the description as to how I actually made the bridge, and also the tiger tank which I made. That's a cardboard tiger tank, so again a link in the description, and the barbed wire, which is another video that I made. So I thought I'd just make up with what I had the end scene of the movie Saving Private Ryan, with poor old Tom Hanks there dying next to his motorbike. Okay, it may not be exactly accurate, but it's as near as possible. There's a lot of sandbags in the scene, and also empty ammunition boxes lying around. So this is my version of it. Okay, so there we are. That's my version of the end scene of Saving Private Ryan. Now, what I did want to mention was I had to make some more sandbags. And although I have made sandbags in the past, they're, to my mind, not that great. So I had to think of a way of making better types of sandbags, because if you're a modeler, you will need sandbags in your diorama. So this is the new version that I've come up with. So my next video will be how I made my new design of sandbags. Okay, I won't go through it just at the moment. I'll just leave that there. So if you're interested, then my next video will be how to make sandbags properly. Okay, so again, thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. All the videos are how-to videos, so just guidelines and ideas of how to make things for your dioramas on a very inexpensive budget. So I use very inexpensive things to make what looks quite reasonable at the end. So subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you click the all button, then you will be notified when I post new videos, which is normally 2 or 3 a week. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next sandbag video, and until then, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.